I have Honda engines on this, and this fuel connector is leaking really bad. So I've ordered two, but it's not the same diameter. So I'm gonna try to replace the O-ring inside of this connector. I've got it locked in my vise here. I'm gonna try to get that O-ring picked out of there. You can see how bad a shape it is. Kind of hard doing this with one hand, so might have to put this down, and you can see it starting to come out there, and it's in rough shape. Okay, I got a hold of it. Here it comes. I think I got a hold of it. Now I got a hold of it. It's snug in there. It's dry. You can feel that. There it is. I just had to push down on the ball valve. So I don't think I have a O-ring that'll replace that. I might. I'll have to take a look. I have an almost just like, pretty round. Looks like it's gonna get in there, so I'm gonna try to worm that in there, put some silicone or WD-40 and try to get it in there. We'll see if that's good enough, if I don't have to buy a different O-ring. Alright, so that's in there, and it looks pretty good. Put it back on the hose and pump her up with some pressure. I hope that works. Anyhow, give it a shot. It looks really good in there. Well, if air matters, I can't blow through it. So here we go. That one leaked that I just put in, but I have these grommets that are shaped exactly the same size as the original O-ring. I just have to take one of these sides off. So I think I'm gonna try that. That's what the original one looked like. Split one. Real close. Well, using that grommet worked. It's on, and that's pumping the bulb, and it is tight. Perfect.